Yar, matey, and welcome to another episode of Microwave Me. Today, Captain Microwave is going to be cooking some rabbit for you in the microwave. Welsh rabbit, that is. April Fool's, suckers. And don't actually ever attempt to cook a real rabbit in a microwave, or I will find you and I will kick your ass. And here is the GE microwave from Season 1 that you know as Jenny the Microwave. She's old, she's still kicking. The instructions on this say to cook for 3 minutes, stir, and then cook some more. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. The instructions say to stir it, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. Yep, that's right, folks. You're watching me make a TV dinner. Maybe I should have microwaved the frog in my throat instead. Now about another 100 seconds should be good. 100 seconds is 140, and this should finish it off. And with that, your captain's Welsh rabbit is done. And oh, that's not good. It dripped everywhere. Perhaps this microwave's a little too powerful for them instructions. For those who don't know, Welsh rabbit obviously contains no rabbit, also known as Welsh rarebit. It's just a dish of toast, cheese, and some exotic spices. Now, do I recommend this as a good idea? Absolutely. In fact, this is more than a good idea. This is a great idea. Not only can you have yourself a delicious TV dinner, but you can play a trick on your friends as well, just like I played a trick on you. So therefore, this is one of my few great ideas.